Welcome to Bilal Online Teacher Channel. Viewers, this is a new channel. God willing, in this, we will teach you the complete course of prayer with translation and the course of ablution and bathing. And at the same time, Quran with translation and Islamic religions issues will teach you, and Islamic events will also be shared with you. If you want to learn these courses and like to watch videos related to Islam, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks. So let's start in our very first topic, method of ablution. The method of ablution is to take pure water in a pure vessel and sit in a pure place. If it is a high place, it is better so that splashes do not come. It is better to face the Qibla and raise yourselves above the elbows. Then recite Bismillah and wash both hands for 3 times. Then rinse 3 times and brush your teeth. Then pour water into the nose 3 times and clean the nose with the left hand. Putting water in the nose means to take the water to the soft spot with the breath. Then wash your face 3 times. Do not hit the mouth with water, but gently pour water on the forehead and wash it from the hair on the forehead to the bottom of the chin and around to the lobes of both ears. Then wash both hands, including the elbows. First wash the right hand 3 times, then wash the left hand 3 times. Then soak both hands with water and wipe the head. Then wipe the ears, then wipe the neck. One should wipe only once, then wash both feet 3 times, including the ankles. First the right foot, then the left foot. Wipe the head in such a way that both hands are moistened with water, and the finger of the right hand and the left hand are placed on the hair of the forehead and brow to the ace. Then bring the palms of the both hands from the mask, pass the ears back to the forehead. At the same time, wipe the ears in such a way that you insert the index fingers into both the ear holes and wipe the back of the ears with the thumbs and wipe the neck with the back of the fingers. Read this dua after ablution. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah. لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين. Translation: I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that without doubt Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa, peace be upon him, is the servant of Allah and his messenger. O Allah, make me among those who do good and among those who attain great purity.